Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the Google account that controls YouTube. Once signed in, click your profile icon at the top right and choose Settings. This gets you to account controls fast. Make sure you know whether this is a supervised account or if device parental controls are in place, because those change the next steps. If you're on mobile, tap your profile, then Settings. The flow is the same. You're doing the essential prep, so you can change filters without hitting unexpected blocks. Now you remove the filter. In Settings, go to General and look for Restricted Mode or Content Settings, then toggle it off. If you see a message about being supervised, head to Family. Google, COM to change supervision levels because YouTube follows that parent account. For mobile, the Restricted Mode switch lives in the same general area. Turn it off and then navigate back to confirm. Once done, make sure to save changes. And note that some network or router filters can still block content, so check those next. Finish by verifying your change. Search for a video you know was blocked and reload the page or restart the app. You should see unrestricted results. If content remains filtered, make sure to check Google Family Link Settings, your router's DNS or any ISP content filtering. Those override YouTube settings. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, clear cache and cookies, or test another browser or device. If nothing works, reset supervision or contact the account manager. That usually resolves stuck permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.